Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove bank account from Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Binance. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the bottom where we have the markets, square, and we have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit options. Also, we have the discover and the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove bank account from Binance. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it. So to remove a bank account from Binance, follow these steps. Open, of course, the Binance app, as I already told you, and tap on the profile icon, which is on here in the top left corner. Then click on your settings and find the security. So when you then go and find the security, guys, then you just need to go and click on delete account under account management. And that's basically how you can go and do that. You can, of course, go to payment methods and find it there and delete it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.